Hello dear all, welcome to the series of English class in continuation of the topic types of nouns. Our learning objectives of the session are to classify different types of nouns, differentiate between countable and uncountable nouns, and yes, of course, we are going to learn the effective use of nouns in the sentence composition. Types of nouns. As we have learned in the last session, nouns are basically divided into two main categories, proper nouns and common nouns. Common nouns are further divided into countable nouns, uncountable nouns and collective nouns. Yes, countable nouns have two more categories named as concrete nouns, abstract noun. Coming to uncountable nouns are also divided into two categories, concrete nouns and abstract nouns. In this session, we are going to learn about countable and uncountable nouns. Countable nouns, as the name suggests, these are the nouns which can be counted in numbers. These are the nouns which are the names of individual people, animals, places or things. For example, one cat, two cats, one woman, many women. So here we also learn that countable nouns can be singular or plural. If we are talking about one woman, that means it's a singular form of the noun woman. One woman is a singular form. Whereas if we are talking about many women, women is the plural of woman. Now coming to uncountable nouns are not individual objects. That means they cannot be counted or they cannot be divided into separate elements. So uncountable nouns, as the name suggests, they cannot be counted in numbers. They are always singular. For example, if we are talking about water, we cannot count one water, two water. We have to count it like one bottle of water or 1 liter of water. Fine, it has to be counted as a whole. Even if we take the example of sugar, we cannot count one sugar, two sugar. Whether it is 1 kilogram of sugar or 2 kilograms of sugar, sugar will remain sugar. That means the uncountable nouns, they are always singular. Now another fact, many abstract nouns are typically uncountable. Abstract nouns are the nouns which talk about some idea or quality or state of being, or maybe some happiness, state of being like happiness, truth, which we are going to learn in the forthcoming sessions. Let's learn, with the help of few more examples, how to distinguish between countable and uncountable nouns. First example, first sentence, would you like to have some coffee? Coffee here is an uncountable noun because it's referring to the drink in general. Coffee, it's an uncountable noun. Let's take another example. He ordered a cup of coffee. Now here, a cup of coffee is a countable noun because here we are counting the number of cups. Cups, here it's referring to only one cup of coffee. Fine, so here a cup of coffee is countable noun. One cup is singular noun, whereas two cups would be plural noun. So in case we have to write plural of a cup of coffee, we have to write many cups of coffee. So see the difference. Now this is the difference between uncountable noun. In the first sentence we used the word coffee as in general, so it was an uncountable noun, and whereas in second sentence we are referring to a cup of coffee, so a cup of coffee is a countable noun. Now moving over to the last example, there is no truth in the rumors. Truth is a state of being. It refers to the quality or state of being true. Well, quiz time now. Let's gear up for a recap session of countable and uncountable nouns. Yummy! It's burger. I know. Burger is a common noun because it's the general name of this eatable. Had it been McD's burger, of course, the McD would have been proper noun. But now here I have to decide whether it's countable or uncountable. Yes, of course, it is a countable noun because I can count the burgers in numbers. Okay, let me check. Yes, it is countable noun. Okay, this is butter. Butter, ugly, buckly, delicious, yummy. But butter, I cannot count it into separate units, separate element, because I always go to the market and buy a bar of butter. So butter is uncountable noun. Oh yes, it's correct. Orange juice. It keeps us hydrated, yes. But orange juice we have to drink it as a whole. So orange juice again is an uncountable noun. Okay, this is a glass of orange juice. Here I can see only one glass of orange juice. Yes, I can count the number of glasses. So a glass of orange juice is countable noun. Yes, so well done. So let's stay motivated for another series of English class coming soon. Thank you.